How to grow on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to grow your Instagram account. Now, growing on Instagram involves several strategies, so for that you need to do a lot of things. So first thing, you can just go ahead and check your Instagram application whether it's updated or not. So there are different ways to grow on Instagram. So first thing is consistent posting. So maintaining a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and attract new followers. You can also go ahead and create high quality, visual appealing and relevant content that resonate with your audience. Experiment with different formats like Reel Stories, IGTV and Cursor Post. One of the easiest way is using a relevant and trending hashtag to increase the discoverability of your post. Research and include hashtags specific to your niche and content. Apart from it, you can also interact with your audience by responding to their comments, liking and commenting on others' posts and following accounts, in engaging in building community and attract more followers and all that. You can also go ahead and collaborate with partners or influencers or accounts in your account for shout out or collaboration. This can expose your profile to a wider audience at the same time. You can also utilize your Instagram stories and Reels features to share behind the screen content, interactive polls, Q&A session or entertaining short videos. They often attract more engagement and all that. You can also optimize your profile, having a compelling bio, using a recognizable profile picture, and curate your feed to reflect your brand or interest, all that. We can also be genuine and consistent with your content. Authenticity attracts and retails followers better than anything else. So it's essential to be patient and committed at the same time. So growing a genuine and engaged audience takes time and effort. Avoid shortcuts like buying and all that sort of thing. So these were some of the ways to grow your Instagram, and these were some of the ways to grow on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.